Hey guys, Pet1979 here. Gonna bring to you guys today a quick review on a culinary torch. This is the Sondiko torch, so hopefully I'm pronouncing this right. So this is the Sondiko torch. You can buy this on Amazon, guys. I'll leave the link in the description. But this torch is really affordable compared to other models that are, brand names or something like that. This is kind of a clone of these models, but this thing is working great, guys. I'll show you guys how it works, and for the money, what you can expect from this. So this is a great quality torch, and I really like it, guys. Fit and finish is really good, and it just works pretty well, guys. So you guys can see there's a little bit. This is some searing for when I cook steak. So there's a little piece of grease flying around. So this is used mainly for culinary use. So let me show you guys how it works. So basically you have a little tab there. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. You just use a propane tank or propane canister like this. You just align this little tab, you just push it in and you twist it. So now it's locked into place. So after that, all you have to do is turn on the gas and just press on the trigger to ignite it. After that, you can let go. You can let go of the trigger. So this thing has multiple flame settings, so you can adjust the flame settings how you want it. But you have a really high powered torch. So this is mainly for searing steaks and other food that you just want to give a quick sear on. But you also can turn the dial here and adjust the flame another way. So let me show you guys this. So you can turn the flame in something a little bit more gentle or something a little bit more powerful. So you have two settings on this, guys. Really nice torch, and I use it, like I said, with the highest setting, mostly for searing steaks. So I just give it a quick sear like that. This thing works great. Really nice torch. I had this for a few months now, and I've been playing with it non-stop, and it's working great, guys. Like I said, I'll leave a link to the Amazon page where you can get this in the description. So if you guys want to purchase this, so this torch is sold by many different people under many different names, but the one I got is well, good quality, and it just works great. So every time I put the gas on and I just click it, every time there's an ignition, guys. So I don't doubt that this torch is gonna last me a while. So even if, in a year or two it breaks, I won't be too sad because I didn't pay like $60 for it. So that's the other thing. This is for the money, guys. This is excellent value. So here's the name again, Sondiko torch. So if you guys want to purchase this, like I said, link in the Amazon description. You guys can see there's a lot of uses on this. So this is splashback and grease from when I'm cooking steaks and stuff like that. So I've been using this, guys, like I said, for a while now, and I can say that for the money, guys, this is a great torch. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That's always appreciated for the YouTube algorithm. And if you want this torch, I'll leave a link in the Amazon description. Otherwise, you guys can browse online on Amazon and find similar torch depending on the price and the deals. You guys can find something that's gonna work for you. So all right, guys, I catch you guys on the next one.